All right, we are down to the last pack of food here in the 72-hour kit. We're not going to do any really crazy theatrics this time. We're just going to cook it up. Who are you trying to be?
A superhero.
What?
Superhero.
A superhero? Let's go like this. Here, pull it out of there and show us what you got. What do you got? What is the last one? What? Black bean soup? Absorber. It's only got 3 steps on this one? It says 4.5 cups of water, so you have 4 cups right there. And then Maddie, you'll do the next one, half a cup, okay? And then it says cook for 10 to 15 minutes. So Ellie, you need to pour that in carefully. Can you do it really carefully? It's big. Okay. Do it real slow so you don't splash it out. You can do, oh, that's really good. Well done. Nice. Now we're going to do another half a cup, and then we'll have Maddie pour that in. You gotta tilt it all the way over.
All the way?
All the way. Well done. Keep going all the way in. All the way in. You ready?
Yes.
No, I only do that. Okay, now we gotta back up and let it get hot. Let's put the lid. This is gonna be as good as the other one. Somebody's a little bit on the, this is ready hour and somebody's on grumpy hour right now. We like the ready hour food so much that we went and bought a month supply for one person. So that's a couple weeks of food for us most likely. Plus I'll show you what we got here. This is a month supply. It has some breakfast and dinner stuff in there. And then we got 2 extra bags here, the 72-hour kit on sale, 10 bucks a piece, free shipping, $100 off. If you watch these guys, they have sales quite a bit. And so I think what we're going to do is put those in a bucket in the cabin and just leave that up there. So that'll be a nice kit for that. And then we got a couple more for some gift ideas. Yeah.
I want a tomato.
A what?
A tomato.
Why do you come up with these things every time? Hey, it's boiling almost. Oh my.
Gross.
No, it's still not boiling all the way. That boiled quick.
Can you help me open
I thought
it?
you were going to do it.
No, help me. It's so gross inside.
Well, that's part of the fun.
Help me open.
Alright, so we got to get the oxygen absorber out. And then we're going to pour it in. Here we go. Standard stuff. Makes a big mess every time we do it. Alright, there it goes. Ellie, this could be the best one yet. Pretzel cookie? What do you know?
Got salt on my hands.
Huh?
Hey, did you make a pretzel cookie?
Did you get a pretzel cookie?
She did.
What? I found it with these foods. You need to actually cook it a little longer. Remember last time we needed to cook it a little longer, don't you think? Not a bad idea. So we can get it another 5 minutes or so. And I think that'll make it nice and thick. Gotta get all that rice and stuff cooked. But it seems like it's cooking up nice. It's thickening. I don't want it to burn on the bottom. It's thickening up, and it is black. Looks like black beans and rice. So your typical kind of classic survival dish. Right, nice stew. I mean, how nice would that be, Ellie? If you needed to eat this, and you know, in a survival situation, you know, it'd still be pretty good, probably, wouldn't you think? Mm-hmm. Hey, you got some soup, some stew. Maybe you find some. I mean, it smells like. I can't place the smell. It's almost like a chili. Almost kind of smells like a chili. You probably put some venison in there, or maybe some, I don't know, hamburger or something like that. I bet it would make it taste really good. Wouldn't you think? Some deer meat. What do you think about that? No?
I know that drill.
Okay, here we go.
Try to drill my back. What?
And are we ready to do a taste test real quick?
What do you
We
say?
don't know yet. Let's try it. Should we do it?
Mm-mm.
Here, Maddie, you try it. I don't think Maddie's even gonna try it. She doesn't even. Ellie will. I know Ellie will. She'll like it.
I don't want to like it.
What? You don't want to like it?
Listen.
Your thumb's already down? Well, but we haven't even tried. What if you're like, this is the best thing you've ever tried? Ellie's gonna try it. All right, Ellie, are we gonna go at the same time? Eat off the side so it doesn't get too hot. Wait a minute. Try to eat off the side.
This is so good.
I think it's good. It's like yeah, bean and rice stew. What do you think?
Good. Can I try it?
I don't know if you want it. Oh wait, you do? Oh, I guess you should try it then. Give it a little shot, Maddie. What do you think? You tell me. A little hot. What do you think, Ellie?
So good.
You like it?
I like it.
Is it your favorite one or not?
I like it.
Good. Well, take another little taste. I think you just tasted like a tiny bit. There, that's a good one. That's a good one. Tell me what. What do you think? Good?
It's good.
You like it?
Me too.
I think it tastes good with tortillas. What do you think?
Oh, I was going to dip
You
it.
gotta try that. Try dipping it, please. What do you think? Oh, you're gonna try it. You wanna try dipping yours in there? Tortilla? You're just eating it straight. What do you think?
So good with tortilla.
Really? What kind of? This dude doesn't want to be on camera, but I'll relay the information. What's
Like spicy black beans.
like a spicy black bean stew or soup or what?
Dab.
What does it taste like? Something that is there any like? It's got kind of a. It's got a little spice to it, not super hot. I think Mrs. D's right though. I think it's like it tastes like a side dish almost for like.
With the tortilla, it makes it feel like a full meal.
Yeah, it's good with tortillas, I think. So, all right. Well, that's the review of the black bean and rice soup. It was kind of a little bit haphazard, but it's not bad. It's not a bad dish. It's not as thick as the other ones, I don't think. A little bit
The only
thinner.
thing had like corn on the cob on the side.
Yeah, corn on the cob, tortillas. It's a little bit spicy, like black bean and rice. It doesn't say rice on the bag, but it's got rice in it. It's quite a bit of rice in there.
That's
So
more rice than beans.
yeah, it's more rice than beans. The beans kind of cook down.
Okay.
You could see them, and then as it went on, they kind of cooked down.
It was really good. It wasn't too spicy. I don't like really spicy, and so I would not say it was super spicy.
It's not super
Just
spicy.
enough.
Just enough kick, yeah.
To make it special.
I like it.
I like it.
I like it more than I thought I would.
I ate my entire bowl.
Mrs. D ate all of hers, and she's gonna go back for like thirds.
Mom,
I'm gonna eat.
is there stuff
But it's good, right? Ellie likes this stuff. She's really picky, right? And you're pretty picky, but you seem to like this so far, this whole kit. Other than I don't think you like the potato one as much. I don't think you like that one as much. All right, that's the review. We'll see you guys in the next one.